looks like. We're going to see what it looks like inside with the liquid. Looks pretty brown. This is distilled water with baking soda in it. I don't have very much baking soda. I think I got one teaspoon to, or maybe it's a tablespoon. One of the two, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 1 gallon of distilled water. But I took this generator off to see what it looked like inside after running for a month. Looks pretty grimy. Black specks coming out. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's rust or what. This is what come out of the generator. You can see some black specks there. I don't know what the heck that is. But water looks pretty nasty. Kind of a dark brown, muddy color. That's what it looks like after about 4 weeks of running. And I've got probably, I'd say, couple hundred miles on it, around 2.5, or 200 to 250 miles on this water change. But I didn't even test this thing. I just put it together and threw it on the GMC and see what it'd do. And it did pretty good. But I don't know liters per minute or none of that stuff on it. But this is the one that has the perforated stainless steel liner in it. And I'm going to tear it apart and see what it looks like on the inside. Be right back. Alright, got my tool. Break this seal. Ooh, pretty dirty. That's what it looks like on the inside. Nasty old muddy water. We're going to tear this thing apart and see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, here's the core. That's what it looks like on the inside, core wise. Get a close up. See the rust deposits on it. Looks pretty nasty. This is the end cap I've been telling everybody about to put in there for the spacer, because if you don't have that in there, it's going to short against the liner. You don't want that. Get over here. The liner, it don't look too bad. It's still shiny. I think a lot of that dirty rust came from that. But you can see what it looks like on the inside now. And that's all there is to it, folks. Just stainless steel liner and that core. You got yourself a HHO generator. That's what we've got going on so far. I'll catch you all later.